I spent quite a lot of time cleaning down the front chassis, particularly where the engine gearbox have been. Cleaned all the oil and grease off, all the crud, taken a lot of the rust off, and it's beginning to get into a position where I'll probably put some paint on it. But before I do that, I'm going to have a go at fitting the driver's side inner wing. Well, I've finally got the inner wing fitted as I want it. Had to have it on and off many times. A little bit of adjustment here, a little bit of adjustment there, before it all came into place. But I'm reasonably happy with it now. I'll just turn it over and show the underside. You can see in the main part it's fitting where it should, touching where it should. The only thing with this panel is it's a Ashley Hinton panel, and it's not quite the same as the other side. If you look, the outer web comes down a little bit too far compared to the original. There's no extension of the web there at all. So what I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut along this seam here just to take that back down there and make it appear nearer to what the original panel was. So what I'm going to do now is take the wing off again, drill all the holes for the plug wells, and do a little bit more cleaning around all the bodywork around here, and then I shall weld it on. In an effort to make sure that everything is the same and symmetrical, I've set a level on the two chassis members, and I've locked my rotisserie with a G-clamp, and now I'm going to move the level up between the two wings. There you go, I've set the level between the two side wings, and everything appears to be fine. Well, that's it. The inner wing is now welded in place, and it's gone in pretty well. There's a few minor differences in the way it positions. This is an Ashley Hinton wing, but for the price of them compared to the Heritage panel, there are no problems, and it fits where it should do in most places.